Bart, you manage our travel program here at Nielsen, and we're a company with a global footprint of more than 100 countries, more than 40,000 associates. So what does travel mean for Nielsen, and what does responsible travel mean for Nielsen as well?
Sure. So just like every large global company, travel is an important element of day-to-day business operation. We travel to meet face-to-face with our clients, with our suppliers, vendors, and being a large company and having the global footprint with over 40,000 associates in 100 countries, our travel footprint is significant. Just to give you a few statistics, annually we issue about 50,000 airline tickets, and Nielsen Associates spend over 80,000 room nights annually for business trips. So our global travel and procurement team manages our travel suppliers. Those are our airlines, our car rental suppliers, our hotels. We manage them in order to provide the best possible value to our Nielsen associates. We define value not only by the typical criteria like service quality and cost, but also environmental sustainability and social responsibility. So in other words, responsible travel means incorporating social responsibility and environmental sustainability into the way we select and manage our travel suppliers.
We have an environmentally preferable purchasing policy and preferred vendors in the travel space. What sort of standards are we holding these suppliers to, and what do those mean for our overall footprint?
Sure. So environmentally preferable purchasing policy is our statement that we will reduce any negative impact on environment that's caused by our purchasing supply chain. Our, once again, global procurement and travel teams are working very closely with our travel suppliers to hold them accountable and put more stress on their negative impact on the environment. So when it comes to the airlines, it's the greenhouse gas emission. When it comes to hotels, it's the waste and energy usage. So we're engaging constantly with our travel suppliers to provide us metrics, find out what they're doing to eliminate that impact. And at the same time, big kudos to Jocelyn Azada, who's working very closely with me. She's our procurement director, and her and I are working very closely to communicate that message to our suppliers. We know that the voice of the customer is powerful. It does make a difference. It's been proven in the food and beverage industry, where there's more demand on the organic food and the manufacturers are delivering. We also see that in the coffee industry for the fair trade coffee. So the voice of customer is very powerful, and that's what we do at Nielsen to make overall positive impact and reduce our impact of travel as much as we can.
We've set some new responsible travel goals as a company. Could you share what those are and what it means for Nielsen?
Sure. So I want to start that we're currently doing a lot of business with great travel suppliers. They're industry leaders. Some that I want to mention are Marriott, Avis, United. They're doing really great job out there. They're being very proactive. They have very robust sustainability policies. Nielsen's goal is to engage 100% of our travel suppliers to provide sustainability information. We're doing it through RFPs, we're doing it through business reviews, we're doing it through EcoVadis surveys. So this is our goal, put all of our travel suppliers on one page, create consistent measurement to track the progress.
Bart, what role do individual associates and teams play in all of this in terms of the decision making that they're doing around travel every day for Nielsen? What kind of role do individuals have in this?
Very important role. So we do have a lot of policies, we do have a lot of guidelines in place, we have preferred suppliers. All I want to stress out is for individual associates to follow those policies, to book travel through our preferred sources, which is Concur or American Express Global Business Travel. They can rest assured that when they book through preferred channels and they select our preferred suppliers, they are promoting Nielsen's sustainability efforts. Our team behind the scene is working very closely with our suppliers to stress out the importance of the sustainability and social responsibility efforts. So when our associates are following the guidelines or policies, everything's going to be good.
Awesome. So responsible travel all around the globe. Bart, thank you for managing this and taking the
Absolutely.
time to talk today.
Thank you so much for having me. It's been a pleasure.